Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the filters on this Dyson V12 Detect Slim. So the only filter is right here. You're going to turn this and it's going to come off. Now we can wash this. I like to blow these out with compressed air or a blowgun real good. And then after about the third time, then I like to rinse it off with water, but it takes a while for it to dry. It does take about 2 or 3 days. You're just going to wipe this off. Don't get anything wet here. Now we can take this chamber off. Press this button like you do, like when you normally release it. Press this right here. Now I can take this over to the sink. I can clean this, get these seals all nice and clean. Let that dry also. I can wipe this off. Don't get this wet. Don't get any water in here or anything, but I can wipe this off, kind of blow it off a little bit too. That's as far as you can clean this unit. Now the part number of this filter here, if you need to replace it, is 971517-01. Again, 971517-01. Let's just measure it real quick. About 5 inches, about 3 1/4. That part's about 2 1/4. Now again, I've tried to take this off of this. It really doesn't. I've just not been able to get that apart any farther than that. There is like a HEPA filter down in there. Yeah, I don't know if I would get this part wet. Maybe just this, maybe just rinse this off and just blow this off here. Okay, when you're all done, we got to put it back together. It's a little tricky putting it back together. You're going to slide this part right here underneath, kind of into that open area, and it clicks into place. Now I can just close it like I normally do. These are super simple. Push it on, click it. If you don't have it on right, the display will show you filter not sealed. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.